Hey guys, here's your review for 6163 quiz will be on Monday. That's right now. Get started right away here. Hope you're having a wonderful holiday season. Starting across the top, please read directions, guys. You're basically going to evaluate this. Do not leave numbers raised to a power of negative exponents. I'll give you an example there. So what you want to do here is add exponents. This is -7 to the 5th. Okay, we want to actually multiply that out. So if you type that in the calculator, I can do that here quick. Right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in -7 and raise that to the 5th power, hit enter. There's our value, -16,807. Right? And that would be it for number 1. Close this up. Might need it later. Negative exponents, going to flip this guy, 7/3. And then I'm going to square both things. This is 7 squared, 3 squared, which is 49/9. Impossible to reduce. Number 3, I've distributed my -2. So this will be 3 to the 4th over 3 to the 10th times 2 to the -8. This 2 to the -8 will go on top. And then 3 to the 4th, 3 to the 10th, this would be 3 to the 6th, because 10 minus 4 is 6, and 3 is larger than the bottom. All right, so 2 to the 8th, let's see here. Well, 2 to the 5th is 32, 64, 128, 256. So let's just check it quick with the calculator. 2 to the 8th should be 256. And 3 to the 6th is 27 times 27, 729. So we have 256 over 729. That will not be reduced because 2 divided by 3 is not reduced. All right, so there's the first 3 problems. All right, I'm going to clear this, move down to the following next 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, bases are the same, 2/5 and 2/5 are the same, so 4 plus -4 is 0. Anything to the 0 is 1. Over here, we're going to have x to the -21st. We'll have y to the -21st. So this will be 1 over x to the 21, y to the 21. Number 6, these guys just go up top. So it'll be x to the 19th times x to the 4th times y to the 18th times y to the 8th. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is x to the 23rd and y to the 26th. There you go. Right. Just going to keep rolling right through here. All right. Going with 7, I'm going to distribute in that negative with all these. This is 2 to the -3rd, x to the -33, y to the -15. Everything goes on bottom. 2 to the 3rd is 8, x to the 33, y to the 15. Finish with 7. All right, and 8, I'm going to reduce these. These are all divisible by 4, top and bottom, so this is going to be 3 over 8. X is larger on the bottom, 5 minus 4 is 1. Y, this goes on the top, so 3 plus 7 is 10. So 3y to the 10th over 8x. All right, I'm going to multiply across the top. This is 54x to the 10th, y to the 6th. This is going to be 3x to the 10th, y to the 6th. And 54 divided by 3 would be 18. And that's it. Because x to the 10th cancels out, y to the 6th cancels out. 54 divided by 3 is 18. All right, let's go to the back. All right, find the sum or difference. We'll write our answers in standard form. So here I'm just going to combine like terms, starting with the largest exponent. There are no other x's to the 4th, so he goes first. Followed by x squared. 7x and 9x make 16x, and then plus 5 on the proofs. So there's number 1. Number 2, I'm going to distribute this minus sign in. So I'm going to start with my largest exponent, which is to the 3rd, so I have -6x to the 3rd. And then I'm going to combine my x squared, which is -3x squared. And then I'm going to have x plus x, which is 2x. And then I'm going to have a -15 on here. All right? So that's part 2. Part 3 Hey, now we're actually multiplying, so I'll have to add, exponents. So this is distributive property. So 8 times 6 is 48, and this is x to the third minus 8x squared plus 24x. Finished. Okay, they're like terms combined, and it's already in standard form. Over here, I'm going to have 15x to the third minus 45x squared, plus 20x. I'm now going to distribute my 1 in the red. My products from the red will be underneath. So this will be 3x squared minus 9x plus 4. Okay, I'm going to add them vertically. So 15x to the third minus 42x squared plus 11x plus 4. That one's finished. Okay, so I'm doing it vertically, so that way they're easier to combine like terms. I'm going to do the same thing here with my next one at 3. So I'm going to distribute this in. I'm going to get negative x to the fifth. That's going to give me negative 2x to the fourth. And this is going to give me positive 5x cubed. Across the bottom, this is negative 4x squared. Oh, that's not going to combine with anybody, so I'm just going to slap it on the end. Minus 8x, and then plus 20. Nothing's going to combine here. That's what I noticed when I started multiplying the bottom one. That one's finished. Number 4. All right, I'm going to FOIL these two. This is x squared minus 1x plus 8x minus 8. Still have x minus 2 here. So this is x squared plus 7x minus 8. And multiply that by x minus 2. All right, so x times this, x to the third plus 7x squared, x times negative 8 minus 8x. Negative 2 times this is negative 2x squared minus 14x plus 16. I'm going to add these vertically, so my final answer is going to be over here in maroon. X to the third stands alone. These two are going to make positive 5x squared. These two are going to make negative 22x. And this is going to be plus 16. Okay, so there you go with this guy. Can't see that. Let me rewrite it here. Plus 5x squared minus 22x plus 16. Okay. All right, let's keep rolling here. I got 5 and 6, and we'll call it a day. Okay, so this is just like the last one. I'm going to FOIL these two. So that's 6x squared plus 9x plus 4x plus 6. I'm not going to do anything with this x plus 5. Combine like terms. 6x squared plus 13x plus 6. Okay. All right, I'm going to distribute my x in. That's going to be 6x to the third plus 13x squared plus 6x. And I'm now going to multiply my 5 in to all 3 of these. Kind of see I'm going backwards. 5 times that is 30x squared. 5 times this is 65x. 5 times 6 is 30. I'm going to add them vertically because my like terms are very on top of each other. And there you go. That's the sort of this. All right, last but not least, best practice, guys, when you go to multiply this out, write it twice. Don't do it in your head. Now you can FOIL. This is 25 minus 5x cubed minus 5x cubed plus x to the 6th. 3 plus 3. Add the exponents when you multiply. So put it in standard form. X to the 6th comes first. This is minus 10x cubed plus 25. As usual, ladies and gentlemen, email me questions. Don't be afraid to fire questions at me. You know where I'm at. Okay, Sanjay, I'm at wilsonsd.org. I'm here to help. Good luck on your quiz. And that's basically 6-1 and 6-3 in a quick review for you. Thank you for your time and enjoy the holidays, guys.